Dude, if Elon retweets this shit, bro, this is going to like $1 billion, million, trillion dollars. We're starting with 3 sol, 3.25. Yeah, I'll take a quick 0.2 though. I'll take a quick 0.2 though. Oh my god. What a dip. Hi? 18 minutes ago? So this right here, I think is like bots and bundled. There's a chance it might run. I don't know. I'm actually not seeing enough real buys. Fuck it. Sending it. Now, if we keep going, if we keep breaking all-time highs, it's probably gonna send. It's probably gonna send. I'm seeing more real buys too. Yeah, we just broke all-time high. Yeah, see, like this right here is like it's definitely kind of botted, but you see how like it's primary. I mean, I don't really know what the TA is, like word for it, but like, you know, its shape is just trending up. That to me means like, even though it might be kind of bundled, that it's probably gonna keep going up. And then like good confirmation is like when you start seeing real buys. High lows uptrend, yeah. A little bit of consolidation. Nice. It's good volume, bro, because the dips are getting eaten up pretty quick. Nice. Nice, nice. New all-time high? New all-time high? Maybe? Oh. Here we go, the motion! The motion is incoming! The motion movers! Thai League with the 1 subber. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the 1. Thank you for the tier 1. I appreciate that. Thank you for the tier 1. Are consolidating a lot here. It's either just gonna dip pretty hard or we're gonna go all-time high again. Nice, nice. This actually might migrate. I'm pretty sure it's OG. I didn't check, but I've never seen this image before. I know high's not OG, but yeah, I haven't seen this dog before. Yeah, all-time high again. Yeah, this is gonna migrate. This is gonna migrate for sure. Nah, I'm gonna hold to migration. It's gonna migrate. It's gonna migrate. The volume is increasing a lot, and there's a lot of buy pressure right now. So. I'm not selling a dime, brother. All-time high again. Super bullish, super bullish. It's super bullish. It's super bullish. Yeah, I've been really studying the charts to start doing more of these long-term plays. I know a lot of y'all that watch me stream know that I scalp a lot. Hit him with the scapula! But I've been trying to learn more of these long-term plays. I think I'm learning them pretty good. Now, if this dip gets eaten pretty fast, that's a good sign. I see a lot of bots trying to dump though. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, bro. Yeah, this is a good sign, man. This is a good sign. Really good sign. Appreciate the follow. The bots are trying to outsell the buys though, which is annoying. It's almost like the bots don't want to go to migration, or like whoever's controlling it doesn't want to push it to migration. Let's see what happens right here. Nice. We have to break all-time high again. I don't know, man. I might get out of this. I think I'm gonna get out of this. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this, bro. Damn! 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 It's lower than what I bought for. Look, you kind of want to buy again. Fuck it. Damn, I should have bought. I should have bought. I should have bought. I could have scalped this real quick. Which I get. I could understand. Alright, this is a dangerous play. I actually might lose money here, honestly. Actually, I probably shouldn't have bought this, but we'll see. Nah, bro. Nah. Not doing it. Not doing it. How do you enable Insta buy window? Right here. Damn, Dev hasn't sold though. Fuck it. Full kit, mate. Full kit. Dev only has 2%. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Might be a scalper. This might be a scalper. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's on a pretty high uptrend though. Can't really get shit on either because Dev only holds 2. There's no insiders. Snipers are 35, which isn't. I mean, it's a little high, but it's not horrible. Damn! I don't know. Here it is. I don't know. I don't like the Dev being in, but I don't know. I might bounce it like. I'm bouncing. Damn. Alright, I shouldn't have left. It was a blunder. I shouldn't have left. Shit. Rudy? Has this been done before? Has not. I'm buying. Come on, Rudy. Let's see Rudy send. Come on, it's OG. I see it pushing right before my eyes. Oh, surely Rudy has to send, bro. That shit is so cute. Cute little Rudy guy, bro. Come on, motion! Oh, it's sending, baby. Oh, it's sending. Dev is not completely out, but he barely had anything. Yeah, dude, this thing is sending so hard. Oh my god. Wait. Wait, actually, I think that we might cook on this crap. Holy, wait. Wait, hold on. Strap your seat, put your buckles on. Strap your seat belts. Oh, wait. Don't do that. Wait, don't do that. Nice. Uh-oh. Wait, motion's coming back. Alright, bro. I'm gone, bro. The motion was lacking movement. Yeah, I might hit 20. Wait, what is this? Shit. Wait, I'm sending. Wait, my order's not going through. Okay, now I don't even want my order to go through. What the fuck? Wait, that was 2 hours ago? Wait, that's MSN? Oh, wait, I don't want to top blast this. Fuck, I top blasted it. Fuck it. We're bowling! This might send. This is completely OG. Literally happened... How long ago was this? Yeah, that was like 2 hours ago. Uh-oh. Is this? This might be a blunder. Wait, let's see. No, wait, we got motion. Wait, we got motion. Got some motion. Nice. Dips are getting eaten up pretty quick. Ooh. I don't know. Break this all-time high and we're bullish. Break the all-time high, we're bullish. It's consolidating, so this could be good actually. Consolidated right there. Yep. You see what I'm talking about? The consolidation. They wait for the consolidation. Wait, stop that. Nice. Dips are getting eaten. All-time high again. Bullish. It's a little bit of what I like to call bullish. Consolidating again. All-time high. Maybe. Uh-oh. Whoa. Eat the dip. Nah, bro. I'm out. Damn, I lost on that one. Honestly, bro, it's gonna seem crazy. I'm gonna put 1 soul here. I honestly think this might have a complete resurgence, bro. I could be wrong. But it's like... What's this one? Wait. This one. Maybe. I mean, it's starting to come back a bit. All the bundles and bots are probably gone now. Like, this could CTO. I don't know. Nah, I'm just gonna get out. Nah, whatever. Elon's anti-woke school. You tweet about that or something? Honestly, I think so. When was this? That was like 5 minutes ago. Elon plans to open up an anti-woke school. called Ad Astra. Yeah, wait, this might actually send. Wait. Wait. It's a pretty big platform too. Damn, dude, if Elon tweeted confirming this is going to like 1 million. Like, this is actually going to like 1 million, bro. There's a lot of real buys here though, dude. Like, this is like almost purely organic. Damn, dude. Elon just retweet that shit, dude. It's already sending so hard. Dude, if Elon retweets this shit, bro, this is going to like $1 billion, million, trillion dollars. Holy shit. I'm gonna take 50 right there. Fuck it. This shit is sending so hard. How are you gonna tell me the holidays is not a good time to trade and I'm up like 7 Sol? I'm up 7 Sol right now. Whoa. I'm up 7 Sol. Alright, I'm burning now though. That was horrible. Now I'm up like 10 Sol, basically.